Hello, I'm Casey with Silverado Plumbing, and this is a short video on how you can flush your water heater. First thing you'll need is a hose. So once you got your garden hose, you take it and you connect it to the bottom of your water heater. The second step, since my water heater is an electric water heater, I need to shut it off at the breaker. So I need to locate my electric heater. Mine's on the side of my house. And I need to turn the breaker off. So you can see here, mine's labeled water heater, and there's two breakers. So you turn the breaker off. Now that your electrical is turned off to the water heater, you can start flushing. So what I usually do is I turn this on at the bottom, just to get the initial flush out. And then I turn the water heater valve on the top of the water heater off. Then this valve right here is called a TMP release valve. I pop this open just to let air take place of the water so that it can flush out. You wait for about an hour until the water stops draining, and then you're done. So once you're done, you flip this back open or closed. Shut this back off. And then you turn your water supply back on. And you're all set. Just don't forget to turn your breaker back on.